major issue considering the artificial intelligence and then the trade secret. We know that for trade secret, that restricting access, employee education, physical security, monitoring of data, all these things we are following, right, because that are to satisfy that criteria for trade secret, right, access control or enterprise AI application related. So, we are taking all that caution. So, here what exactly we have to, when we are talking about a trade secret and artificial intelligence, important thing is like you have to be very careful about data, that is one thing. And how you will be careful about data? Agreements. Agreements are very important, that license agreement when we are drafting about this particular thing, that is like you are taking care about that. Okay. So, I guess if that caution, that is the only caution we can take as of now. No other remedies they are considering the trade secret actually, but that contract drafting, that is the only thing which can take the action here. Okay. So,